Hello friends, welcome to Shia Sisters. Today we'll be making some chocolate brownies. So let's get started. Now let's add 200 grams of cooking chocolate and 100 grams of butter. Now heat it in a double boiler or microwave until it turns into liquid. This is how it'll look after it's melted. Now it's time to add 1 cup of powdered sugar into the bowl. Now after adding the sugar, beat the mixture thoroughly. Now crack 3 eggs and be sure to add them one by one and beat the mixture after each egg is added into the bowl. Now once again beat the mixture thoroughly after adding all the 3 eggs. Now add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix them all together. See 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and mix them all together. Now our batter is ready. Cover a square-shaped pan with butter paper and grease it with butter or margarine and pour the batter on it. After which, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. Now, our brownies are ready. Cut them into small cube-like pieces and apply chocolate on them for better taste.